I'm with Mr. Hagai Bergman, Professor Hagai Bergman. Good morning. We are here today on the 6th conference of AFIRNe, and I would like to introduce you. So, who are you, Mr. Bergman?
So, I am a medical doctor and a researcher in the Hebrew University of Jerusalem in Israel. My main interest since I started my medical and research career is the basal ganglia, the part of the brain that we know that is damaged in Parkinson disease. And therefore, for many years, I was trying to find what is going wrong in the basal ganglia of animal model with Parkinson disease and in human patient with Parkinson disease. My main discovery is the discovery of the subthalamic nucleus as the optimal target for neurosurgical intervention in Parkinson disease, and we are doing it for many years in human patients all over the world. In France, actually, the first surgery of human patient was done in France in Grenoble, but now it's carried all over the world and also in Israel.
So your intervention this morning was about DSP. Can you explain what is DSP?
We are speaking about deep brain stimulation. That is, we are going deep to the brain. We are not outside of the brain, okay? And we are going deep to the brain and we stimulate. What we are getting by this stimulation is a local inactivation of an area. And the main advantage of this stimulation is that we can play with the parameter. So we can adjust the parameter for each patient. And now coming back to my ongoing research, we are trying to do that this adjustment will be automatic one. That is, the system will sense the abnormal activity of the brain and automatically adjust the parameter of stimulation for the brain of patient with Parkinson disease and for other disease of the basal ganglia like schizophrenia and depression.
Okay, and why is it so important in that specific topic that France and Israel collaborate?
So I think that from my point of view, really naive and humble point of view, France is the origin of modern neurology and psychiatry. And there are so many people here in France that are so very aware of the cross-link between neurology and psychiatry that they are my teacher on one side on this, and I think that we are in Israel, we are very good on the technology. So, joining together the clinical insight and the technological insight from both sides of the globe, I think this is the way to succeed.
So on one side theory and on the other side applied physics?
Both of them. It is computer science, and again it is very small. It is only 4 hours travel, and I think that we should collaborate all over the world, but especially over here, very close to Salpêtrière and very close to Grenoble and to Bordeaux and so many strong places with such strong neurological and psychiatric research that we can collaborate and do something good for our patients.
Professor Bergman, thank you very much.
You're most welcome.